Hello friends, today I'm going to install Oracle Linux on a VirtualBox machine. As you can see on my screen, this is my VirtualBox. So I will be creating a Linux 10 appliance. So without any waste of time, let's begin. So I will name this Oracle Linux 10. I'm going to change the location uh, where I want to install the due to space. I believe I have more space here. Yeah, I'll put in this folder here. This is my image right here in the download folder. Skip unattended installation. I'll give 4 gig of RAM, maybe 2 processor. Okay, I'll give about 60. I'll give 60 gig of space, storage space, and this summary uh, statistics about what the image will look like. So click the finish, come to settings, check system. I'm gonna bring this down, send this up, and probably uncheck that. Set this to tablet. This one helps to prevent the mouse from hanging on one corner. Okay, so or increases. Okay, so storage, audio, or disable audio. Okay, so we have the network adapter. Click OK. So let's start the appliance. Okay, I will use my upper arrow to select that. Press enter. Just allow it to load. Okay, now I think the GUI is coming up, so we take English. Click on continue. Now select that and take done. Okay, done. Root account, enable root account. Let's put our password. Allow root SSH login with password. Let's take that and then done. Okay, let's create a user. Let me see. Who can I create as the user here? Let me just say Oratech. Oratech. Add administrative privilege to this user account. Require a password. Okay, so I don't want that user to have administrative privilege, since I can always sudo. Yeah, we'll select that as the server GUI. You have the many other different types. Okay, so what are we gonna install here? I will take this. Name of the system to attach network storage. Let me see. I will take this. I will take that. I will take that. I will take graphical administrative tools. I will take security tools. Okay. I'm trying to see if we see have some different kind of binaries I would need here. I will take that. Okay. Tool for debugging misbehavior application and diagnosing performance problem. For now, this is just for training purposes. Let's click done. Time. Okay. Let me see if I see New York time here. Yes, take New York time. Configure NTP automatic. Let me see what that is. Okay, that's the server I have. Okay, good. Let's say done here. So now we have set up everything. This tutorial I'm going to begin the installation, and I will come back. I will pause it and bring it back up when the installation is finished. Thank you so much. Yes, so our installation is complete here, and have to reboot the system, and then we'll accept the license that is that give us the permission to use the Oracle Linux. So let's reboot the system now. Okay, so we have succeeded to install our Oracle Linux 10. So this is our Oracle Linux 10. This is for a tour. Okay, so let me come here. You click here. Let me open the terminal here. Okay, I would like to increase the terminal. Go to preferences. Let me see. Okay, bold system form. I'll come there. I'll take that and I'll increase here. I want it to be big. Select, and I think, yep, as you can see, good. So we have come to an end of this tutorial. That's our Oracle Linux 10. Thank you so much. Bye now.